Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the car model prediction using machine learning. So we have to run with different algorithm. First try with the linear regression and KNN algorithm. Okay, then we have to run for the SVM and KNN algorithm. Okay, this algorithm will take time. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, neural network, OpenCV, Django, Java, Android. If you are searching a type of project, you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, I also print the accuracy with 24.39 and 38.91. And let's run for the KNN and SVM algorithm. It also gave the accuracy of the 17.7 or 43.90, and then run for the KNN and CNN algorithm. So that will give the accuracy with graph like 19.51 and 46.91. Then run for the prediction model. So let's provide any input image. Okay, and it will predict that model. So it will predict the model as car model predicted as Acura TL Sedan 2012T. Okay, it will write the label. Run the accuracy comparison graph. So this project will generate the graph for different algorithm like linear regressions, KNN, SVM, CNN, SVM interference, CNN interference, KNN interference, and CNN interference. And thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.